Hi and hello, this is Vinod here from TryOrder YouTube channel. Today we are going to see one of the easiest machine from Hackthebox. The name of the machine is Blunder. So I have checked the machine. Currently the machine is in live. Once I have found the live. The machine is Linux based using TTL 63. I have done the Nmap scan. Two ports is enumerated. One is closed and one is 80. It is open and the services is HTTP. So the HTTP version is Apache 2.4.41. The generator is Blunder and a blunder of interesting fact. So this is the title. So I have enumerated the port 80 and Stephen King, Stadi, and some of the usernames are found. USB. There is one directory called install.php. Like buildit is already installed. So I have checked what is buildit. So it is like a web application build it your own website or blog second in a second. It is completely free and open source, markdown support something. So the admin directory is Bloodit. So this application is runs under the Bloodit. And I have checked that is there is any exploit in my local machine, the local database, and some more versions exploits are available. Authenticated brute force mitigation by or something. So directory traversal image file upload Metasploit. So there is one tricky. So open this exploit in Metasploit and view the source code. And if there is any CVV or exploit code is available, take the code and go to the GitHub and search the exploit in the GitHub and execute it manually, not avoiding this Metasploit. So this is the one of the tricky method I'm using. And notice that one of the directory todo.todo.txt in this directory in this file I have found inform Fergus that the new blog need image pending. So one of the user is Fergus. I need to enumerate Fergus. So I have created a word list using this web page using cool a cool tool and get some of the payload in and I have brute forced. Finally, I get the username and credential for this uh, Fergus. Fergus and Roland Deschain is the credential. So I have logged into the website using this Fergus and credential. So there is a image upload, file image upload. So I have checked that there is a CBB 2019 1613. It says like allow remote code executions via big kernel ajax upload image php because php code can be entered with a jpg. So so I have downloaded this file and executed in my local machine. Parallelly I have given the listener in port 6666 uh, octa 6. So I have strengthened my shell using python ptty and I have no privileges to get the root file because my shell is www data. So I have enumerated the database and noticed some of the credential of admin and other credential and I have taken into the crack station and get the password. Currently I am in Hugo user. This is the root flag and privilege escalation. Before that you need to check how many users are available in this machine. There are 4 users root sound Hugo temp. I have done the basic privilege escalation command sudo -l. It says like all root bin bash. So I have go to like exploit db about this sudo. It says like some of the command. So this is the command. I have copied this command and I have entered. So finally I'm the root. So this is the flag of root privileges and have confirmed the IP address. So thanks for watching. If you would like to support me, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.